Several hundred demonstrators, many wearing Guy Fawkes masks, blocked Parliament Square in London as part of a global protest called the Million Mask March. There were brief scuffles with police at the gates of Parliament. Guy Fawkes was the inspiration for the masks worn by the protesters.